This is Japanese curry, and we're at the most famous chain in Japan, Coco Ichibanya. We ordered the pork tonkatsu curry. It has a curry, the fried pork tonkatsu, on a bed of rice. Most of these curries have the same base of a curry and rice, and you choose your protein. And they also ask you to choose your spicy level. We went with standard this time. And this smells incredible. The fry looks perfect. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try the curry sauce right away. That's really good. It's rich, creamy, and is completely blending all of the spices. It has a mild spice, but you're getting notes of cumin and clove. Let's try the tonkatsu pork. The fry is incredibly crispy, and the pork is soft and tender, and the curry flavors just really boost this. You have to try Japanese curry. It already looks like it has a high quality rice. It's kind of sticky. It's soft, fluffy rice. So let's put it all together. It has such an even spice level. Very enjoyable. And it's a lot different than Indian or Thai curries. And they brought this bottle of sauce out with it. I believe it's Hojun sauce, or Hojun sosu. The sauce is a little thick, but on the bottle it says, you can enjoy the experience of eating the curry more deliciously by using the sauce. I couldn't imagine this being any more delicious, so let's put the sauce to the test. It's good, but it's hard to pinpoint the flavor of the sauce. I almost can't tell much of a difference using it, so I'm gonna try it a few times. So I tried the sauce on its own, and I'm putting it on the curry again to give it another round. On its own, the sweet and sour was identifiable right away, and I think that's the note we're going for. That's what it is. It's topping off a little bit of that sourness, going really well with this curry. You have to try the Hojun sosu with it too. And there's some more toppings on the table that you can add. It's like a pickled ginger. The pork tonkatsu is a must try. I'm really curious to see how this chicken cutlet compares. I'm going for the complete bite, bite one. The fry is so crispy, it's just like the pork. This one might be a little bit crispier. The chicken's white meat, but it's not dry. It's tender and very enjoyable. But if I had to pick one of the two, I'm going with the pork tonkatsu. This meal is very comforting and hearty. I really enjoy it a lot. The curry is so thick that it's not spreading in the bowl. It just kind of stays on its side. These are all across Japan, so you've got to stop in one and try the curry. It kind of reminds me of a Waffle House, and it's so good you'll get to the last bite. So if you're in Japan, stop by Coco Ichibanya and try some Japanese curry. But we'll see you in the next video.